Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am packing. I'm getting ready for a weekend trip to Las Vegas. I can't wait for this trip. It couldn't come soon enough. Let me show you why. This is outside right now. As you can see, it is snowing. By the way, today is November 10th, so... Anyways, we are going to Vegas for 4 days. So our flight there is Thursday morning and our return flight is Sunday night, but it's a red-eye flight. So we get back really early in the morning on Monday. We're using Swoop Airlines, which flies out of Hamilton. The round trip flights, including taxes, were only $255. So that's kind of why we decided to go. The catch is you don't get any carry-on luggage or any checked bags unless you pay extra. So what I am attempting to do is fit all of my clothes and things that I need for 4 days into one personal sized item. The personal sized item is 16 inches by 6 inches by 13 inches. It's basically the size of a small backpack. I'll show you what I'm using here. I got this backpack from Winners. I think it meets the requirements. So I have this measure set to 16. We can see it does go a little bit over with the handle, but I think that would be able to like squash down if they made you put it inside of a, you know, those little like square spaces they make you put it in. The side actually comes to, I would say, just 11 or 12 inches. So as long as you can squash it flat, that meets the 13 inch. And then we get 6 inches on the side. Ooh. There. So I think we got room with this backpack. So I've laid out all of the stuff that I want to bring and I'll go over that with you. So I'll start off by showing you what I'm going to wear on the airplane. Obviously, if you're trying to fit more stuff in your bag, you have to wear your bulkiest clothes on the airplane. Either way, it's snowing right now in Canada, so you're going to want to be warm anyhow. I'm going to be bringing this puff jacket that I'll wear to the airport and onto the plane. When I sit down, I'll either just unzip it and leave it over my shoulders or roll it up and then see if it can fit under the seat. Under the jacket, I'll be wearing a black sweater and just kind of zips up, doesn't have a hood or anything. And then underneath here, I have a purple tank top. That's because on planes, I can never figure out, I'm like too hot, too cold, so it's nice to be able to take off a lot of layers. I'll be wearing tennis shoes. These are also the shoes that I'll be using most of the trip as well, walking around. I'll have this on my belt, so this has my passport, cash, and credit card, and also a sleeping mask, like an eye mask. And then these jeggings, and then these are just like my socks and underwear and stuff. These jeggings are also a little bit on the thicker side, so this is what I'm going to be wearing at nighttime when it gets cold. The expected temperature in Vegas for our trip is supposed to be highs in the low 20s, so 21 to 23 degrees, and lows at night in around 9 or 10, so that does get kind of cold. Oh, by the way, I'm talking degrees Celsius. The day clothes that I'm wearing, I have a set of dresses. Basically, it's summer dresses. So I'm wearing this one. Another day I'll just wear this simple dress, so it's just kind of like a shift dress that ties around the waist. This outfit is a skirt with kind of like stretchy waistline. It's a little bit pleated, it's kind of wrinkly right now, but that's not gonna change. And then over top of that I'll be wearing this like kind of hipster panda guy. And then one more sundress. This is actually one that I'm planning to change into when we arrive at the airport. I think I'll be too hot, obviously, in my coat and stuff in the 23-degree weather. So I'm planning to change into this dress. Let's move on to the other stuff I want to bring. If, like I said, I'm planning to change out of my clothes, I'm gonna need somewhere to put it because that coat is not gonna fit in that full backpack. So I'm bringing this bag. It's basically like a cloth bag and then it just goes over the shoulder. This is also what I'm planning to use basically as my purse. So when we get there and get to the Airbnb, I'm probably gonna leave that backpack there, but when we walk around, I'm gonna bring this purse with me and put my money and stuff in there and like a sweater if I need it. So what we got over here, technology looking stuff. I am gonna bring this camera. I have 2 batteries and I'm also gonna be fitting 2 memory cards in here and then the charger because these batteries don't last very long, honestly. This is a battery pack for our phones, my Kindle for the airplane because I'll be bored, and then my camera will go in here. Right now this is just the case for it. So I have these sandals. I really want to bring them. I just think they'll look so much more cute with the dresses that I'm planning to wear rather than the tennis shoes. But I have heard from a lot of other vlogs that the strip is very long and if you're not wearing the right footwear, your feet will get wrecked basically. So maybe I'll just bring these in, like if we walk around, I'll just put them in this bag and then put them on for like cute pictures or something. This is also just a plastic bag I'm going to bring to put my laundry into. The Airbnb Airbnb that we're staying, it's a condo and it's supposed to have a gym. I don't know if we'll actually use the gym, but I feel like I always wish I could every time I don't bring clothes. So I'll just bring a set anyway. So I have a sports bra and then a couple shorts. These are also meant to function as pajamas. So again, I don't know the temperature. If I'm really hot at night, I'm probably just gonna wear shorts instead of long pants. These spandex shorts as well, I like to wear under my dresses just so I don't have to care if I go upstairs or anything about like the skirt flying up or whatever, people under the stairs. This is kind of for casual wear. If we're just chilling in the Airbnb at night, you kind of want to be comfortable. It's just a gray t-shirt with like sweatpants. This is also what I would wear if it's cold at night. So if it's too cold to wear the shorts, then I can just wear these sweatpants. So a couple pairs of socks, my bra, and underwear that I'll be wearing. A mirror. Hi. And then a hair spiral. Because I think my looks are a little bit simple, it's just a plain sundress. I do want to jazz it up with some pretty big jewelry, so I'm bringing this huge necklace. And then in here I have 2 pairs of earrings. These like spoon and fork earrings, which are interesting. And then just these huge gold leaf earrings to kind of spice up my simple dresses. This is a water bottle that unrolls and you fill with water. I'm not sure what Swoop does, but I've heard a lot of budget airlines don't give you any water or snacks on the flight. So I hope there's a fountain after we get checked in that I can fill this with and then stay hydrated. So these 2 bags are kind of like toiletries and makeup. In here I have lip gloss, a comb, my toothbrush, and a razor blade. And then in here, so I'm not sure if it's Canada or US, but one of the countries makes you put all your liquid in like a clear bag. It can be a bigger bag than this one, but this is all I need. I'm hoping I can ditch some of this stuff depending what Tony brings, because I really feel like we could share. But I've got shampoo, soap, deodorant, lotion, toothpaste, and then face moisturizer. And this is face wash. Also in here I have an eyelash curler, brow pencil, eyeliner pencil, and then, I don't know, a brush that I brush my eyebrows with before I color them. And this is a face cloth. I just kind of like having my own face cloth. Usually, honestly, what happens is I go to the bathroom with all this stuff to get ready and I forget my towel that the host provides. So it's just convenient to have your own little face towel in there. I also have some more hair ties in the bottom of this as well. Okay, that's everything that I'm going to bring. It is all going to fit in that little backpack. What I'm going to do is roll up all of the dresses and put them in this packing cube. It just kind of helps the packing process be a bit more organized when they're in the cube and you're opening your backpack looking for something, like the clothes and stuff aren't rolling all over the place and like getting mixed up. So I'll put everything in there and you can watch me. Okay, so as you can see, so I fit all the dresses in there and those sweatpants and t-shirt. So I'm just putting the mirror on here to be protected by the clothing and then just laying out the jewelry. And then I'll cover that with the rest. And I think that's everything for the packing cube. And then all my liquids. So I'll just show you the backpack too. So it comes with some nice little storage areas where you can zip up stuff. And then this is a USB cable that feeds out of the side of the backpack to make for easy charging. I'm gonna put the technology stuff in these little compartments. So I'll fit the battery packs and SD cards in here. And the camera battery charger. And then the battery pack for the phone can just rest here, and then that USB can plug directly into it and then you can charge your phone. And then this area is meant to be for a laptop, so it is quite padded, but I'm gonna put the shoes in there, and then my Kindle is gonna go in here. All right, plastic bag. This is the bag that I'm gonna use as my day purse. Packing cube. And edge of the packing cube, there's a little bit of extra space, so I'm going to toss my hairbrush in there. Toothbrush. It's hard to do this one-handed. Okay, well I would zip that closed. And then at the top I want to have easy access. So this is where the thing with the liquids is going to go. So then when you go through security, you just open the top of the backpack and pull this out. And then in this corner, my camera. And then I don't have them with, but I do feel that I have room here for my phone charger. And then the plastic water bottle can just kind of go anywhere here. There's also like a little side thing here that I can put the water bottle in as well. Okay, so let's zip it shut. There. So there it is. And like I still feel it has room to like squish on it. Let's see if we can see it from the side. Yeah, so like if they made you put it into one of those things, I do feel that it's not overstuffed or anything like that. Put it on and show ya. So it just looks like a regular old backpack. Let's see if I can get the mirror. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Obviously you can look forward for more to come on our Vegas trip. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Bye! No. So that's everything that I'm gonna that's everything that I'm going to bring. Charger, battery pack for the phone.